What's good, YouTube? We are back. Another video, dropping bangers upon bangers. We are headed to Cars and Coffee after hours here in Tampa. So footage will be a little dark because it's going to be nighttime and sun sets at like 6. So that sucks. But yeah, we try to capture some stuff. I'm taking Targa out. That's why I got a hoodie on, because it's kind of cool and I don't have a heater. And I don't feel like putting a top on either, so it is what it is. But stay tuned, stick around, subscribe, and let's get to it. All right. It's a little dark in here. I don't feel like turning the light on. Oh, love that sound. Love that sound. Love that sound. Oh, yeah. Get up in this joint. Leave the keys up here. Camera in the passenger seat. I gotta get gas, so I'm gonna do that. So the thing about this car, and being that it likes to leaketh the oil, I don't let it idle. So once I get in, I get buckled up, and then I dip out. So yeah. Ooh. Okay. All right, so yeah, I try to get a little bit of driving footage and all that shit. So, but yeah, I'm a little early. Try to get there early. Try to get a good parking spot, and I'm trying to stay the whole time. That's the idea. So, yeah, fuck it. Just enjoy it. We outside. Here, after hours, Cars and Coffee. Let's walk around, see what's going on, and yeah, here early, so got a decent spot, and so far so good. Let's see what we got. Start over here. Lambo action. This thing's supposed to start at 7, and it was already packed. This is clean right here. It's colors. Sick. Carrera S. Nice. I'll have to do limited commentary because of the music, but you get the gist of it. Got the lights on the R8. All right, I'm back at the house. That's it for the day. I left early. They started revving Challengers and shit, Corvettes. I don't know why it's always Mopar guys that just got a rev for no reason, but I don't like it. It's annoying. It's loud, and I don't like that type of shit. So, and I think there was a little fight too, so that was pretty interesting. I'm not carrying, so once things like that start to happen, I tend to not hang around or whatever. So I went ahead and left, but it was good turnout. Lots of cool cars, lots of McLarens. That was pretty cool. It was a lot of good stuff. I didn't get some of the other ones that showed up, but on my way home, my headlights started acting wonky again. So I got to figure this out. I think it's fuses and all that stuff. So I'll sort that out another day. But I don't really drive this car at night too often. But that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's pretty chill. Night meet Tampa on a Monday. I'll take it. I need to take my ass to sleep because I got work tomorrow and the gym. So keep being great. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.